My favorite festival. My favorite festival is Eid. We celebrate Eid with our family and friends. On this day, we wear new clothes and visit our relatives. We eat delicious food like biryani, sweets, and special dishes. Children get gifts and money from elders, which makes them happy. We also pray together in the mosque and thank Allah for everything. People greet each other with Eid Mubarak and share happiness. The streets are decorated, and everyone smiles and enjoys the day. Eid is a festival of love, kindness, and sharing with others. I love Eid very much because it is full of joy and togetherness.